Hello everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can install dual apps like Facebook, Messenger, or Instagram in your device Samsung A04E. So if you want to do so, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can install dual apps like Facebook, Messenger or Instagram in your device Samsung A04E.